In this video, I'll show you how to use Raydium DEX on Solana with Phantom Wallet for token swaps. First, open your Phantom Wallet and make sure it is set up on the Solana network. You should also have some SOL in your wallet, because SOL is needed to pay network fees for every transaction. Next, open the official Raydium website in your browser. Be careful with fake links, ads, and random messages from social media. Always double-check the website before connecting your wallet. Once Raydium opens, click Connect Wallet and choose Phantom. Your Phantom wallet will show a connection request. Review the site name carefully, then approve the connection. Now go to the Swap section. In the first token box, choose the token you want to spend, such as SOL, USDC, or another Solana token already in your wallet. In the second token box, choose the token you want to receive. You can search by token name, but for better safety, especially with new tokens, use the official token address from the project's trusted sources. After selecting both tokens, enter the amount you want to swap. Raydium will show the estimated amount you will receive, along with swap details such as price impact, minimum received, and fees. Before confirming, review everything carefully. If the price impact is too high, the token may have low liquidity, and you may receive much less than expected. When the details look correct, click Swap. Phantom will open again and ask you to approve the transaction. Check the transaction information, then click Confirm. After approval, wait for the Solana network to process the swap. This usually happens quickly. Once completed, your new token should appear in Phantom Wallet. If the token does not show automatically, search for it inside Phantom or add it manually using the token address. Always protect your seed phrase, avoid suspicious websites, and never approve transactions you do not understand. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.